Be alert XRP holder, because you can see, my friend, this time the Brandon123 is posting on Twitter, my friend. XRP X, you can see here David Swartz Twitter post today. You can see here this time. Alright, so what does he say? The brand child of this operation, why art NFT on Ripple X XRP L so much more cost efficient. So my friends, you can see this time the update is absolutely going to be very important, because my friends, you can see here every time you can see here after a fails they take a jump, and after a jump they fails down. So you can see this time the graph is absolutely, you can see this time the live trending. So my brother, why they fails down, in the current time, why all crypto market is very badly fails down, everything we discussed with detail in this video, and what's the update of XRP, my friend. But before I get started this brand video, kindly request you to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much, my brother. This time you can see here plus 6.70%. You can see here this time the change occur in just in only, my friend, last this time you can see here last 24 hours, my brother. So why they gonna be very fast? You can see here they starting move upward. I think this time the crypto market is wake up now after a very long time, and absolutely this is very good news, my brother, especially for XRP holder and also Cardano, my brother. You can see here this time the price is 0.9 USD dollar of XRP coin, and you can see here this time the lowest price is the lowest price is touch. You can see here this time 0.8658 USD dollar, and if you can see here the highest point 1.059 USD dollar. Oh my goodness, it's a very high jump, my friend. But definitely this time you can see the price is also very badly fails down. So don't see this short film, my brother. Sometimes they're moving upwards, sometimes they fails down. You can see the updated you can see here you can see here hash 23. This time is time here this time, and the last 24 hours you can see here 4.4 billion, my friend. And XRP supply, if you can see here 99 billion, 99.99 billion, and if you can see here the market cap is 94.32 billion. So my brother, if you can see here at this time the highest change absolutely very high, and if you can see, my friend, this highest point if they touch again now, so it's mean, my brother, it's mean they are completely in the profit. And I hope, my friend, they will do, because you can see the change occur is absolutely going to be good positive. So let's see, my brother, we need to we hold, and absolutely, my friends, we need to wait for the good time. I hope, my friends, you can see this time they also after a very long jump, long fails, my friends, they take a jump. Absolutely, you can see like that, absolutely they will also take a jump. So we just need, my friends, to wait for the end of this month. Exactly, they will completely go in the moon, my brother. So if you want to, my friends, more information about this coin, kindly subscribe this channel. Absolutely, ABS Tech channel will guide you. Subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.